Halo Sahabat Gabuters, meet again with me Anis Indah in my 30-second video. In this video, I would like to give you an example of procedure text. That's about how to make a cup of hot coffee. To make a cup of hot coffee, you need to prepare all the materials. The materials are spoon, cup, coffee powder, sugar, and a glass of hot water. The first step that you must do is preparing all the materials. The second one, put coffee powder into a cup. Then add the sugar. After that, pour a glass of hot water. For the next, stir it well. And now, a cup of hot coffee is ready to drink. Well, Sahabat Gabuters, that's all about my video. I hope you can enjoy it. See you in the next video. Have a nice day and bye-bye.